आज इस वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट इंडियन पीनल कोड के एमसीक्यू को सॉल्व करेंगे। आपके स्क्रीन में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे विद 4 ऑप्शंस। तो इसके पहले मैं आप लोगों को आंसर्स बताऊं तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग अपने आंसर्स कमेंट में लिख लीजिए सो डैट पता चल जाए कि आपको कि आपने जो आंसर दिया है वो सही है या गलत। सो लेट्स बिगिन। We will start with the first question. Under which section of Indian Penal Code 1860 it is mentioned that when such an act is criminal by reason of its being done with the criminal knowledge or intention? Option A, section 34, option B, section 35, option C, section 149, option D, none of the above. So the right answer to this question is option B, that is section 35. Section 35 clearly mentions this definition of the Indian Penal Code. Further, we'll move to the next question. A and B are joint jailers and such they have the charge of C, a prisoner alternatively for 6 hours at a time. A and B intending to cause death of C knowingly cooperate in and causing that effect by illegally omitting each during the time of his attendance to furnish C, with food supplied to them for that purpose. E dies of hunger. As per which section of the Indian Penal Code 1860 both A and B are guilty of murder of C? Option A, section 35, option B, section 36, option C, section 37, option D, section 38. So the right answer to this question is option C, that is section 37. This illustration is mentioned under section 37 of Indian Penal Code. Further, we'll move to the next question. Section 39 of Indian Penal Code defines option A, voluntarily, option B, offence, option C, special law, option D, local law. So the right answer is option A, that is voluntarily. Voluntarily means कि अगर कोई भी व्यक्ति किसी परिणाम को स्वेच्छा से कारित करता है तो वो सेक्शन 39 ऑफ इंडियन पीनल कोड के अंदर आएगा. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज under which of the following section of Indian Penal Code 1860 the word offence has been defined? Option A, section 39, option B, section 40, option C, section 42, option D, section 43. So the right answer is option B, that is section 40. This definition of offence under IPC means an act which is punishable under the Indian Penal Code 1860. This question was asked in the Jharkhand Judiciary Examination in 2012 and also in Himachal Pradesh 2011, and this question was also asked in Haryana in 2013. So this is an important question which you all must know and remember it. The next, local law mentioned under section 42 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 means a law applicable to A, whole of India, B, a particular part of India, C, any part of India, D, none of the above. So the right answer is option B, that is a particular part of India. Local law has been defined under section 42 of the Indian Penal Code, which means a law which is applicable only to a particular part of India. For example, MOCOCA, Rent Control Act या local laws जो हमारे होते हैं different states के, for example Zamindari Act, UP Panchayati Act. The next question is, to which of the following word illegal used under section 43 of Indian Penal Code is not applicable? A, which is an offence, B, which is prohibited by law, C, which furnishes a ground for civil action, D, which is immoral. So the right answer is option D, that is which is immoral. This will not be covered under section 43 of Indian Penal Code. That is the word illegal, legally bound to do, which means कि अगर वो एक offence है, वो prohibited by law है, और everything which furnishes a ground for civil action. All three options will come, that is A, B and C, but not the option D. This question was asked in the Uttarakhand 2013 and also in the Rajasthan preliminary judiciary exam 2015. We'll move to the next question. Injury means any harm whatever illegally caused to a person. A, in body, B, in mind, C, in reputation or property, or all of the above. So the right answer to this question is option D, that is all of the above. Injury will include a body, mind, reputation or property. For example, in body we'll have murder. If I say the example of mind, it will be cruelty, if a cruelty is done to any person. For the example of reputation, defamation will come under the reputation, and for property it will be caused like theft, robbery, etc. will come under the example of injury. The next question is, under section 45 of Indian Penal Code, life denotes a life of a human being, life of an animal, life of both human being and animal, and none of the above. So the right answer is option A, that is life of a human being. Section 45 defines the word life, which means a life of a human being unless contrary appears from the context. It is mentioned under Indian Penal Code 1860. The next is under section 46 of the Indian Penal Code, death denotes. Now what death denotes is death of a human being, death of an animal, death of a human being and of an animal both, death of either human being or an animal. The right answer to this question is option A, that is the word death denotes the death of a human being unless contrary appears from the context. Next question is, animal denotes A, any living creature including human being, B, any living creature other than human being, C, any creature live or dead, D, either A or C. The right answer to this question is option B, that is any living creature other than human being. Section 47 of Indian Penal Code defines the word animal, which denotes any living creature other than a human being. This question was asked in the Assam Judiciary in 2015. Further, we will move to the next question. According to section 52 of Indian Penal Code 1860, nothing is said to be done or believed in good faith which is done or believed without A, due care and diligence, B, due attention or bona fide, C, due care and bona fide, D, due care and attention. The right answer is option D, that is due care and attention. Section 52 defines the term good faith and says that an act without due care and caution, it is not presumed to be done in good faith. For example, अगर कहीं पर भी negligence हुआ है तो वो good faith में नहीं आएगा. This question was also asked in Uttar Pradesh Judiciary Examination and Uttar Pradesh APO CBI Examination and also in the Rajasthan Judiciary in 2015. So the next question and the last question for this video is, under which of the following section of the Indian Penal Code harboring has been defined? Option A, section 52A, B, section 60, C, section 212, D, all of the above. So the right answer to this question is option A, that is section 52A of the Indian Penal Code defines the word harboring. Harbor in general sense means giving a person food, shelter, drink, money, clothes, arms, ammunition or any means of conveyance or assist a person by any means. कि अगर किसी व्यक्ति की सहायता पकड़े जाने से बचने के लिए किया जाता है तो वो हार्बर के अंदर आएगा. Exception is that any husband or wife under section 157 and 130 of the Indian. So friends, I hope you really like this video. My MCQ series will go on like this, section based. I request you all to kindly share this video to your friends and everyone so that they can also use it. And do not forget to comment in the comment box and let me know if there is any query in your mind. And I will come soon with the next series.